In this video, I'll show you how to create a SkyClaim account. Go to www.skyclaim.io to get to the landing page. In the top right corner, you have the option to register. Here we'll require a name, an email address that you wish to use for your SkyClaim account, and a password. Your password requires at least one number. Then you must agree with the terms and conditions, which you can read through by selecting the text. Now when I sign up, it will send a confirmation email to the address you provided to create your account. You must go to that email account and confirm your email to continue.